Hey Fantastic You, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome, glad to have you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. I felt like playing with the black and white paints again today. So same as my last video, we've got Liquitex Titanium White and Liquitex Mars Black. We got the 4-chamber split cup. I'm gonna put the colors in the exact same order, white, black, white, black. Gonna use a 12-inch canvas, but we're gonna do a different pour. So let me get the paint in the split cup and then I'll bring you back. Just like that, we are done. Let's move this out of the way. Bring in our 12-inch canvas. I haven't put my push pins in on the bottom, just so it's easier to spin this as I'm doing a straight pour. I'm gonna try my best not to do a wandering pour, but it might turn out that way. So I've mixed the paint, 1 part paint to 1.5 parts pouring medium. The pouring medium is 60% Elmer's Glue All, 40% water. I made it just a little bit thinner, just because we're doing a straight pour, so I figured I could get away with it. It might be a little easier to spin it out. Let's get going. And stay centered. It's very hard. So I want a little bit of a spiral look to it. Looks like I'm getting it. Hopefully I won't get a lot of gray. So altogether, as I said, I think I said it, I've got 400 grams of mixed paint. So 200 grams of each color. I know I have more than enough paint. So yeah, my one yesterday, I made it a little thicker. I used 70% glue to 30% water, but did the 1 part paint to 1.5 parts pouring medium. Almost done. Get that last little bit of paint out of there. Try and get a clean center. My last center wasn't super clean, so a little disappointed on that one. There. Hopefully that one's going to be a bit better. Okay, so I'm going to spin it the same way. Just going to make sure we're centered. Do some simpler spins to start, so I can start spreading out. Looks like I'm going to get some good definition. Not quite centered. So far it's looking pretty good. Quite happy with it. Yeah, I might have to try this again with other colors, so 4 chambers, 2 colors. I'm really liking the look of the center. I think I did good on this one. Okay, so I'm over on all my sides, so I could probably spin a little bit more oomph into my spins. But not too much oomph, or it will spin right off the cake turner. Yeah, really liking that center. Probably say it's like psychedelic from an old movie, or it's a black and white movie. It's definitely the vibe it's given to me. I'm gonna give it a quick torch. Well, do I leave it? If I give it a torch, I'm gonna get the little bubbles and it's gonna ruin the effect, so I think I'm gonna leave it. Let the paint sit overnight. Couple more spins and we should be done. I can't tell if the paint has mixed and I'm seeing gray, or if the white and the black lines are so close together that it's giving the illusion of gray. Almost over the last couple corners. It is definitely harder spinning out a square canvas versus a round canvas. Now, I might give my corners a bit of help. I don't want to because I'm going to lose the stripe pattern, but it's definitely having troubles getting across, so. There's one corner. I'll try and be quick. Last corner. I guess I could have put some paint on my corners before I started. Oh well, too late for that. Give it a couple more spins and then we should be done. Yeah, I must say I'm really happy with this one. I like this one better than the one I did yesterday, so my last video. If you saw it. Okay, one more spin, and then we'll finish up. Just a little bit of paint spinning off. Okay, not sure which way it's going to be up. Go that way. I'm going to zoom you in, so don't go anywhere. So there, what do you think? I really like it. I think I've got some good definition between the white and the black. My center is a lot nicer than the one I did yesterday. What else do I like about it? I like the monochrome of it. Normally I try and do bright painting, so it's kind of neat to sit back and do something a little different. So thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you. Until next time.